Hi guys, and welcome. It's been a long time, so I decided to drop this video today. Um, so today I'm going to be talking about the difference between a church and a break of structure. So I know most of you must have been confused. How can I identify a church? How can I identify a break of structure? So I'm going to show you how to identify a change of character and how to identify a break of structure and the difference between the both of them. Now, when we're talking about a change of character. This is what we're talking about. Now, when market creates higher highs and higher lows like this, we have this. We have something like this. Then we have continuation to the upside, continuation to the downside. And we have this upside now. This last, this last spot is a swing low, right? That's a swing low. That's a swing low. Now market comes down and acts like, oh, I want to break out or react or create an uptrend, right? So market can do something like this, false breakout to the upside, then come down, take this low out, and take this low out, and come back up. And let me just put it that way. Sorry. Let me do this way, right? This becomes a change of character, or either a breakout block or whatever they call it, but this becomes a change of character. Why? This was the last low swing point that was created, right? And price took it up, but that broke out with a week and rejected down. This point was meant to cause price to continue to pull up to the upside, but it did not. Price had already tapped into the zone, right? Tapped into our zone. This from here to here, probably bullish zone. Let me just put another block there. Price had already tapped into the zone like this, right? So this was to create a new massive move to the upside. The price did not now cause a continuation. It now did what? It now did one thing. The one thing it did was what? It took out the swing low and that made it a breaker. I'm intentionally marked here because on your chart, in most cases, when price breaks out, sometimes it will take out the nearest low again and before pulling back. So in some cases, it might just do something like a little breakout here and that's it. But I just intentionally drew that so that I can explain better. This becomes either a breakout block or it will just maybe a little breakout or not really breakout and just reject back. That becomes a mitigation block. That's how you spot a change of character because this zone was a swing point that caused price towards pull up continuation to cause a continuation move, and price had already gone there to tap into it. In some cases, price might do something like this. Hold on. Price might do something like this when it creates a swing low, come up, does 1, 2, then pull back. You will not think, oh, 1 hour shifted. So I can now start looking for a sell opportunity. But in most cases, price might just do like this. Sorry. Price might do something like this. It might shift, do something like this, do something and still tap into that zone and just pull up. Then you now be like market manipulation, but it is not market manipulation. It is just the market being the market because price is meant to take out this swing point. This was the last swing point. The price did not take out the swing point. So your swing point, the last available swing point on your trend should be taken out. If that swing point doesn't get taken out, market has not shifted at all. It's still very much in the zone. It's still very much in the trend. So that's why price had to tap into this space, pull back, and came down to retrace. It made it a change of character because that was the last swing point that was created, the last available swing point that was created. When we're talking about a break of structure, this is just a continuation model, right? Continuation move. Market does one, breaks out, continue, break out again. So these are just normal. A break of structure is It's just a normal thing. It doesn't confirm a change of character. So when price does something like this is not a change of character. This is just a break of structure. A change of character should break out from the last swing point, either a swing high or a swing low in your trend. That is how you spot a change of character. That is the identity of a change of character. A change of character majorly works with swing points, right? Swing highs or swing lows gets broken. The swing highs is for the last swing high is for your downtrend. The last swing low is when price is running on an uptrend and the market comes back to take out the last swing low that was created on an uptrend. The last swing high is when price was running on a downtrend and then it took out the last possible swing high on a downtrend, telling you that I have shifted. And this is why when you hear people say, oh, price has gotten to my zone, I am waiting for a change of character. Once I see my change of character, I get into the market. And some people will say, oh, I'm looking to buy so place because market has won a breakup structure, leftover liquidity is available, and my I can see my setup already is ASA, is complete. So all I have to just do is take my entries. Why? Because they've observed market has done a value break of structure. They've seen a value break of structure. They've observed the trend is currently bullish and they can catch in for a continuation. What they're looking for is available liquidity for price to what to grab and take and continue where it's heading to. So that is what they are looking out for. That is why you hear break of structure. They're looking for the next thing possible. A break of structure works for the continuation of your trend. A change of character identifies the shift of the trend from left to right or right to left. That is from bearish to bullish, bullish to bearish. Tita, that is just it. So if this video helped you very well, don't forget to like, share, and drop your comments in the comment section. What you want me to talk about, what you want me to explain. Feel free to ask me questions. And also, I'll be hosting a class in October. If you are interested in joining the advanced masterclass, our monthly advanced masterclass is just $75. And you can join. You get a full course from beginners to advanced on synthetic. I will teach you everything you need to know about synthetic from beginners to advanced in the course that I will be giving to you for free while we also have this class. So you are not just learning from me, you are getting a full course. And also you're also getting access to a community where you can always trade and drop your comments and ask me questions. One. Two, you're also going to gain access to previous recorded sessions I've had, right? And recognition of the correct class. So it is always going to be a course that will be updated every single time. So you're always going to be getting these updates in the course. For those who join the monthly masterclass, it's just $75. And the link is going to be in the bio for you to sign up for the class. It's going to be in my video description. You can always check that in the video description. I talked about it in my previous videos that we're hosting or we just officially launched our Signal community like no other. This is not just a Signal community. It's more like a trading room where we make money from trading and we then make money outside trading. So we did it in a way that apart from making money from Forex, crypto, synthetic market, but three markets we are trading, you get to go live and have a live analysis sessions with me at least once or twice a week. We do weekly live analysis sections. We do live trades together. We analyze and trade together privately every single day that I'll be trading. We'll be having trading signals and codes together. You get to ask me questions relating to what we are doing and relating to the course I'll be sharing to you. Don't ask me questions from one of your Idolo said. No, this is me, you, and we are engaging together. You have this course to help you get better for trading from beginners to advanced. Beginners to advanced course, you get access to is on Forex, and beginners to advanced course, you get access to on synthetic. Yes. And also you get access to stock investments, tips, and how to open it, how to trade, how to invest in the stock market and make money from stocks. You get access to how to open an offshore account. You get access to saving tips and right way for you to see that makes you more money for yourself. When they say you get access to premium financial tips and details, access to ask questions, and a lot more, it is a lot more going on in the community that you're going to get access to that we're working to bring into the community. Now, this is for a monthly subscription fee. It's just for now, we are giving out a 20% discount. So we're paying 100K. We're saying come and pay 80K. Join this community. Let's work together. I'm not looking for 10 people, 10 serious people, people who are very serious in making money for themselves, very serious in trading, very serious in knowing what they want to do. This is for you. If you want to trade, make money from trading, and you also want to make more money, you want that money to be making more money for you, this is for you. It's more like a financial education community where we help you make money for you. And you're not making any investment in my account, please. I'm not doing investment. I'm not doing MMM. This is not MMM. This is you. We'll teach you everything you need to do for your own self. And any money you make is for your own self. Take care of your bills, your school fees, your relocation, JAPA plans, your family, your children, their school fees, their feeding, your clothing. Taxes are out. The new tax law is a huge burden to everybody. And that is why we have prepped up this community to set you guys in the path. It's something I do, something I've tested, something that every detail I'll be dropping in that community, something I have tested, people that have met, people that have results, will be coming to speak to you guys, how people can make money, different method, different ways. It's full detailed, fully packed. So if you're interested, the link is also going to be in my bio. You can subscribe. Let all of us start making money together. Um, yeah, so that's all of it. If you have questions on this video again, feel free to drop in the comment section. I will literally answer it all for you guys. Thank you.